Got this for my guy, and the large outer box from Amazon was loosely taped. The smaller box from Traeger was all beat up. There was a zigzag of extra paper to pad the smaller box inside, but it didn't do the job. Then end of the shelf box was ripped open, exposing one side of the shelf, and it was bent pretty bad. You could see marks where the bolts go, like it had already been attempted to be installed by someone. Pretty lame to receive a bent, maybe used or at least returned part. We were able to bend it back enough to properly install it. Again, it just sucks we had to do so. Submitting in the hopes that for other shipments they do a better wrapping/cushion job to protect the customer's new product. Once bent back and installed, shelf works as designed. There was some confusion in the questions. I have the 34 inches Texas Elite, and it fit perfectly and was super easy to install. Works great for adding more surface to place things. It is sturdy, and feel comfortable placing something heavy on it. Only issue, which others have mentioned, is you need to be aware of the area below the handle to the grill. The distance between the handle and shelf is not much, so easy to pinch fingers or trap items. This folding shelf should be part of the purchase price of the grill. Makes life way easier to have a place to put food down while working the grill. Max weight on the shelf is 30 pounds, which is more than I will ever need. Folds nicely against the grill and under the Traeger cover when not in use. Love it. This shelf is only made for the newest version of Traeger smokers. It only comes with the hardware to fit those grills. However, it is the right width for the older Texas model smokers. In order to attach it, you have to drill holes in the smoker. I used 1/4 of an inch stainless steel hardware to attach the brackets to my smoker. I took 1 star off because they should include hardware to fit both models of smoker. Click link in description for more reviews.